Today we are working on my garage door, and what I'm gonna be doing today, I'm going to be replacing this bottom seal here. What's happening is with this bottom O seal here, that the water is coming in through the bottom. I'm gonna put a picture in the top where you can see all the water that comes in when it rains hard. Also, one time a snake snuck in through the garage through the bottom, and also a frog. So I'm hoping that this garage door bottom seal from Frost King will help me out a little bit from the water from going inside. One thing that I want to mention, that this Frost King is some type of soft rubber, and the old one, it looked like it was good quality, but it looks like it's been there a long time. So let me get you close so you can see what I'm working with, and then we're gonna replace this bottom seal. I'm gonna try to remove it with my hand first by pulling it. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove some of the nails, and I'll be right back. Now we're gonna put the seal. The package comes with nails on it. It'd be nice if you had extra hands. So like I'm by myself, I'm gonna do my best to install it. I haven't cut it yet to size until I get to where I gotta get to. And what we're gonna do is make sure that when you're installing it, the bend piece come to the outside, not the inside. You want it to come to the outside. And all you want to do is fit it in right through there. You want to make sure that it goes all the way in the inside. And then you just start nailing them in. I'm gonna spread them apart first, and then I'm gonna put nails closer to it. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a few more nails, and I'll be right back. This is how it looks once it is finished. Much better than what I had there. And it was easy to cut and easy to install. So you have replaced the bottom seal on your garage door. Later.